body, looking as lovely as ever. Starting today's vlog, I had a little FaceTime call with the family, which was super cute. This morning I was like, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with my day, and then I was like, do you know what? There's loads of housework that needs doing. I feel so good when I get it done, and also you guys love watching my like organisation videos, even though I feel like because of the current situation and I haven't really done much to the house since I've moved in, I just figured I'm going to be organising the house anyway today, so I thought I'd take you along for the ride. So I'm going to go downstairs and do a little workout, do some yoga. Hopefully Elia will join me, and yeah, I've put a wash on this morning. I'm gonna do all my washing and hang out because it's such a nice day. I just want to get like all of my bedding done. I literally put like a new bed sheet on 2 days ago, and Lola put her mucky paws on it. Anyway, I want to like clean the bathroom. My office really needs sorting, so general tidy up, general sort out. Might do a little bit in the garden. I'm currently soaking all of these white bits with some stain remover in the bath. You know what, I might have to bleach them, like bleach the stains out, but we'll see how well this does, because usually this stuff is pretty good at getting stains out. Can we please just note that everything fitness related that I own is actually pink, and pink and grey is pretty much going to be the theme of the house. Even Mars's lead is grey and Lola's lead is pink. Are you in your new bed? I honestly do think it's time for Mars to upgrade to this bed, but obviously it's so much bigger. But you seem to like it. You seem to like it in there. Honestly, I've got a bunny in the room. I've got a bouncy ball that they use for pregnancy / labour.
Set an intention for your practice today.
Are you in the bar? Are you? Upstairs pen. Just your average Tuesday. Just put a little face mask on after my shower. I've never used this one before, but oh, whoops, just knocked my camera on the shower. It's from The Ordinary. I went to order their salicylic acid and they were out. The only thing I had was this salicylic mask. So we'll see how this does. My skin is still breaking out every day. In that case where a few spots go away and then 10 more pop up overnight, but anyway. We're not gonna let it ruin our day. I'm gonna go make some breakfast, not breakfast, lunch now because I'm so hungry. Lunch in the garden. I've just done some halloumi and avocado pitters, but these pitters aren't great. Like they've fallen apart a lot. It's because they're gluten free. Got Lola chilling over here right by my rhubarb. Basically I harvested my rhubarb, I cut it off, and there's a new little mini rhubarb growing as well, so I'm so excited for that. Second lot of washing on. So I've just tried cleaning the yoga mats, in particular this one, because it's an absolute state. But I don't know about you, but I can still see dirty marks. I looked on the internet and it suggested putting washing up liquid in a spray bottle with some water. So that's what I've done, and it's got some of the marks off, but you can see here, they just won't budge. I'm trying to think in my cupboard like what I can actually use. I tried the Flash multi-surface cleaner as well on it. I don't want to ruin it, but if you guys have any tips on how to get dirty feet marks off yoga mats, then let me know. Just pouring some vinegar down the sink. my bathroom drain in the shower is what really needs this. So this is about as tidy as my office gets. Believe it or not, those boxes are sorted. We've got Lola's little bed down here with her 2 toys. My desk is clear. I can actually walk in. I'm gonna hoover it tomorrow. This is the area we need to tackle. I have all of my washing here, which I'm now going to go through and sort out and see what needs ironing and what I can just put away now. But I've just tidied the kitchen, so that's all nice and clean. Did the washing up, wiped down the surfaces, and I've cleaned this area too. Just kind of annoying that I don't really have anywhere to like store something like this. I think the issue with this house is that there's just no cupboard, so that's definitely something I'm going to bear in mind. Just need like a cupboard that I can shut stuff away in. Like same goes for my fitness stuff, it's just kind of over here. So like when this room is a functioning room, obviously they're not going to stay there. The bed will probably stay in here. And again, this ball, I have no idea where I'm going to keep this ball, but I really want it. So yeah, definitely some things to think about when it comes to like this actually being a dining room. Finally, when I can get the damp work done and then I can decorate. But another thing that I'm really considering is getting a washing machine. I've been holding off from doing so because I want it to be integrated, and I don't know whether I'm going to change the floor in here, because if you see like there's like dark marks where water has got to it. I don't know whether that's going to be a pain to then, if I get a dishwasher, to then change the floor. I'm not sure. I'm going to speak to my builder, because I don't know whether it's worth spending the money to change the floor in here when it doesn't need changing. Like I'm just going to do small aesthetic changes in here. Like I'm gonna just change, that's something I can actually do like now, change these door handles to just ones that are like this but black. I think the only thing I had left to do was ironing, but it's gonna be too late to do that. I can tick off tidy office. This is what I'm gonna do now. Definitely need to leave that for another day, and then I'm just gonna quickly clean the bathroom and tidy up the spare room. It shouldn't take me too long. I don't even know if I wanted to show you guys this, but basically I've been trying to work out for ages how to lift this flipping drain up, because I've been putting soda crystals down and all of that, but my shower's draining really slowly, and obviously this is why. All it took was a knife to try and prise it open. I'm now gonna try some boiling water after doing the soda crystals, see if that helps at all. Oh, that smells like vinegar. Oh, it seems to be draining a little bit, very slowly.
5 hours later.
Oh my god, I think this has worked. It's actually going down the drain. Oh, it's still in there, but it's not like fully like bubbling up and going everywhere. Jesus Christ, guys, I am exhausted. My skin, I have no words for my skin. My skin's flared up so much today. I need to practice the technique that my psychiatrist gave me in like thinking about the worst case scenario. Follow it down the line to try and find the root cause of the problem. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me. I love you. Good night.